Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel we are going to practice and to improve our English, and for that we are going to use the Bible as a tool. In today's lesson we are going to practice the use of this and that. The first thing we are going to do is to read the Bible verse to practice our pronunciation, and then we are going to start to analyze it. This is the confidence we have in approaching God, that if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. 1 John 5:14. As you can see here, we're going to start to analyze the use of this, that, these, and those. The first thing we need to know that this, that, these, and those are demonstrative. And what is this? We use that to point to people and things. For example, now Crocky, this is a watch, okay? Or that's a clock. As you can see here, we are using this and that to point to things, a watch and a clock. Photo, and that's a picture. We use this plus a singular verb to talk about something near, like for example, this is a photo. Or we use that plus singular verb to talk about something far, and that's a picture, like the second example. These are panda here, those are bears over there. For example, this is a panda, or these are panda. The difference here is in the pronunciation. In the singular we pronounce these, and in plural we pronounce these. On the other hand, we said in the singular that is a bear, and in the plural form those are bears. Now we're going to learn some examples for our real life. This photo takes stranger. I might get myself a pair of those shoes. Mama, look at this. That's a very good idea. Can I have one of these, please? Like determiners, demonstrative determiners come at the beginning of a noun phrase, so they come in front of any adjective. I like this food. I use these pens. I have to do this morning. We don't meet these days. Look at that big cloud. Can you see those birds? Do you remember that man when we met last week? Those days on holidays were enjoyable. To sum up, we can say that in today's lesson we went back to the beginning and we analyzed the use of this, that, these, and those with examples that are going to be very useful for our daily life. If you want to improve your English, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. This is the confidence we have in approaching God, that if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. 1 John 5:14.